Hi, I'm Teresa Neves, and I'll be leading this brief progressive muscle relaxation exercise that reduces stress and anxiety in your body by having you slowly tense and then relax each muscle. This exercise can provide an immediate feeling of relaxation, but it's best to practice frequently as you are developing a new neural circuitry that allows you to take something that is tense and know that you can relax it. With experience, you become more aware of when you are experiencing tension, and you will have those skills to help you relax. During this exercise, each muscle should be tensed, but not to the point of strain. If you have any injuries or pain, you can skip the affected areas. Pay special attention to the feeling of releasing tension in your muscles and the resulting feeling of relaxation and ease. Let's begin. Sit back or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you're comfortable doing so, or bring your gaze downward. Begin by taking a deep breath and notice the feeling of air filling your lungs, holding your breath for a few seconds. Release the breath slowly and let the tension leave your body. Take in another deep breath and hold. Again, slowly releasing the breath. Even slower now, take another breath. Fill your lungs and hold the air. Slowly release the breath and imagine the feeling of tension leaving your body. Now move your attention to your feet. Begin to tense your feet by curling your toes downward and the arch of your foot. Hold the tension and notice what it feels like. Release the tension in your feet. Notice the difference between tension and relaxation. Next, begin to focus on your lower legs. Point your toes upwards towards your shins, noticing the feeling of tension, hold, and release. Again, notice the feelings of relaxation, while also remembering to continue to take deep breaths. Next, tense the muscles of your upper legs and pelvis. You can do this by tightly squeezing your thighs together. Make sure you feel the tenseness without going to the point of strain. And release. Notice the difference between tension and relaxation. Begin to tense your stomach and chest. You can do this by sucking your stomach in, squeeze hard, and hold the tension. A little bit longer, and release the tension. Allow your body to go limp and let yourself notice the feeling of relaxation. Continue taking deep breaths. Breathe in slowly, noticing the air filling your lungs, and hold. Release the air slowly, feeling it leave your lungs. Next, tense the muscles in your back by bringing your shoulders together behind you. Hold them tightly, tense them as hard as you can without straining, and keep holding. Release the tension from your back. Feel the tension slowly leaving your body and the new feeling of relaxation. Notice how different your body feels when you allow it to relax. Tense your arms all the way from your hands to your shoulders. Make a fist and squeeze all the way up your arm. Hold it. Release the tension from your arms and shoulders. Notice the feeling of relaxation in your fingers, hands, arms, and shoulders. Notice how your arms feel limp and at ease. Move up to your neck and your head. Tense your face and your neck by tensing the muscles around your eyes, your mouth, and your jaw. Release the tension. Again, notice the new feelings of relaxation. Finally, tense your entire body. Tense your feet, legs, stomach, chest, arms, head, and neck. Tense harder without straining. Hold the tension. Now release. Allow your whole body to go limp. Pay attention to the feeling of relaxation and how different it is from the feeling of tension. Begin to wake your body up by slowly moving your muscles, adjusting your arms and your legs. Stretch your muscles and open your eyes when you're ready.